So I'm at a golf course, harvest host site, and there's all these wild turkeys. So I decided to come out and take a look. I could hear them from the trailer. They're all pretty quiet right now. But look how many there are. They're just out here doing what turkeys do. It's been raining off and on all day, so the golf course is very quiet. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous golf course here. This is Redding, California. I think they're just chasing each other. There's actually a path that goes along the fence, so if they want to, they can go further down. I'm sure they're well aware of that. Oh, they are flying. Oh, there they go. Wow, that was super cool. Oh my goodness. See you later. See you later, wild turkeys. I guess they're all in the trees now. Well, that was a very nice display.